Okay, that's the view coming in from Tarun Kataria, independent market analyst. But also, let's chat about what's happening in the markets currently. Rakesh Tarway, VP and Head of Equity Strategy at Motilal Oswal Services, joins in on board. Rakesh, hi, afternoon. Seems like the market has gone into a holiday mode, a fairly lackluster day so far.
Yeah, it has been basically post that run-up post the assembly election result, it has been lackluster. There was a movement of 100 points one day. After that, it has been consolidating. So, market is lackluster, but there are pockets which are performing. Mid-cap IT is one of them. There is a movement of almost 20-25% in last 1 month. Almost all stocks, barring some, have moved. So there are some pockets which have performed. Other small cap stocks also have performed, like Finolex Cable, Suprajit Engineering, these kind of stocks, they have done well. But market on an overall basis, yeah, it has been very, very lackluster.
Right. Let's talk about some of the stocks that are in focus in trade today. It's obviously the real estate pack that's been in focus in trade over the last few trading sessions as well. And we expect the market regulator SEBI to come out with guidelines for real estate investment trusts. What's your sense? How much of a lifeline could this really be for the real estate developers?
Real estate will be driven mostly by interest rates and economy. Real estate investment trust, yeah, obviously it will deepen the market. It will increase liquidity in that space. There will be price discovery will be better, but ultimately it will be driven by interest rates and demand supply scenario. Why the real estate has done well in last 3-4 days, it has more to do with RBI did not raise the rates, and obviously this REIT thing is adding some fuel to that fire, but ultimately it will be decided by interest rates and demand supply scenario. REIT will deepen the market. That's what is going to be done by REITs, if at all it happens.
What's the sense that you're getting about the related pocket, that is the NBFC lot, and as a house, what is it that you guys like?
We have a coverage on a lot of NBFCs. We have a coverage on Group Finance, Mahindra Financial Services Limited, Bajaj Finance. We like all of them. We have a buy rating on almost all of them. So we have a coverage also on Repco Home Finance. So we have a coverage on all of them, and we like all of them. There are pockets of overvaluation which will happen in the process. Group Finance, I think, has touched 250 rupee. I think it's on an expensive zone now. Similarly, your M&M Financial Services now is at 4 times book almost on a trailing basis. So these kind of things will happen, but these are very high quality names. If somebody is an investor with a view of who is not willing to trade out on a daily basis, and somebody is an investor with a 1 year plus view, these are very good stocks to own, because they have the ability to pass on the cost. Apart from that, they are operating in an environment, operating in an area where the penetration itself is very, very low. Like Group Finance is mostly rural housing finance. Your Repco is a similar thing. Mahindra Financial Services is a similar kind of story. So there you will keep having that kind of volume growth if you are having a long-term view. But if you are trading on a daily basis, then I will not be able to comment. But if somebody is an investor, these are very high-quality names backed by very good promoters. So they will keep doing well in the markets.
Rakesh, we'll have to leave it at that. Thanks for joining in with that quick take on markets. That street view coming in from Motilal Oswal Services. Let's get you a corporate view as well.